So I purchased this Greenworks pressure washer from Costco. The cost of it was $169 plus tax. Total came to $178. And it's a 2100 PSI. So I'm unboxing it today. And I'm going to show you guys what comes in it. So I'm going to show you the different items or the different, the different stuff that is in the box. You can also register it. Wow, you can win a free gift. 500. I'm going to try that out. I didn't know it was so many pieces. So this is what you put your soap in. These are some different fittings. Manual. This is the gun. Have a another part where you can screw on. Look on that. There. There we go. Wow, there's a lot of pieces. Wow, lots of pieces in this one. Here is the big boy. This is the hose. And these are the wheels. So here we go now. We're going to have to figure out how to put this together. So these go here. Just need to snap it in. This is all fitted together like that. This goes here. So I'm just winging it. When I figure something out and I can't, then I have to use the manual. No, there it is. Alright, pause. Ready? So I have the hose. So the hose will go here. So you just have to push it in, right? Then you screw. Make sure you tighten. Okay. Right, and then you have the gun right here, and see right here there's a washer, so you need to make sure you get it in. And then the hose is going to be connected here, but I'm going to leave that for last, right? Put this down. Alright, I need to get the wheels on. Give us some. This is a gun. Alright. So see, these are for the wheels, and we do have some washers. So I have the wheels. There's one over there. And these are what you're gonna use for the wheel, right? So just gonna turn it over, right? And then we have the wheel here, which is gonna go like this. So I'm gonna put one washer here, then here, right? See? Then we're gonna go down. I can show you guys around this side here, right here. So give us a pin. I'm gonna put the washer right here. And then the pin is gonna go in, and the pin is what secure it, right? So that's good. Gonna get the other wheel. Get this off. The other wheel is just right there. Let me just get the wheel. We have the wheel. We have one washer. Put the washer on. Just like that. Then we're gonna go here, right? And now we have another washer that I think, and then we're going to use a pin. It's very easy to just put in right here. So that's the wheel, right? Here, star point screwdrivers, okay? Because you're going to need it for the screw, okay? And then these parts connect the hose, so the hose is what is gonna be wrapped around this. So you need to go in like this. And then here we have the handle, right? And then you just put it in. To have two, look right here. Squeeze this in, just snap it in like that. If you want to take it off, you just need to squeeze, and it's out. Show it to you again. Right here, right? Now we have this part. So this part is what I'm gonna use to do the hose, right? So now like this, I use for the hose to reel in the hose, right? So now we're gonna take this screw, push through here, right? Put your finger there, then you just put it here, right? Then right here, look, you're gonna connect it here. Use your star point screwdriver. Right, so it's all secure, and this is for the electric cord. So you fit your electric cord here. We have another part where we need to put on, where we need to put the, for the gun, and this is it. You need to get the screws, or just one screw, and here it is, right here. So this, we're gonna go right here. Okay. See? So it's here. So you wanna just go like this. It's gonna fit right here. There's a hole, and that's where it's screwed in. So you put this in, then you screw in. And always you need to screw in with your fingers first, because you want to make sure that the threading is good. It's all good. Now we have the pipe, or the gun, sorry. We have the gun, and the gun just snaps it there. And right here you have the hose. This part is going to be connected to the gun right here. You have to take this off. Right. Where you have, so you just have to push it in. Right, and then you just screw. Right there. So guys, I only have one part left. This is, no, two parts. I have this part and I have this part. So I know where this part goes. This part goes. This, I'm not sure yet, so I'm gonna have to look in the manual to try to figure out where this part go. Well, there is a bottle. So now I have 4 parts remaining. I have this, I know where this go. Know where this go. This is just a jet. You can use it. I'm gonna show you guys how you can use it as well. This is the only part that I'm really not sure where this go. So you can use this whenever you're just need to draw back, release, and that's it. Draw back and it's out. So you draw, right. So you can use this for when you're washing something. And we have this soap bottle, and same thing. Just need to draw back, push in, release. So you just put your soap in, and then you're good. Yeah, this is a bonus that comes with it. That's good. So I need to figure out where this part goes, and that's my only thing now that I need to look in the manual. Otherwise, from that, I'm good to go. So this part comes with 4 screws. I'm gonna put it on and then I'll screw it up. Turn it this way. Push in. Push in. Push in. Have your screws. And your screws. And the screws are at the back. So you just need to get your star pine screwdriver. So I noticed I made a mistake, that this part need to go on after. We need to put this one in first, because you can't screw it in if you put this part on, the part for the cord. So I'm gonna have to take this off, which is no problem, very easy. Very quick, then get this back right here. Tighten your screws. So, like I said, this part I'm trying to figure out how. I know it's supposed to set like this, but I'm not sure exactly how. Maybe it goes up in here. Oh yes, right. Yeah. So here it is in the manual. Is it? Yeah. And the hose wrapped around it. So I think right here, I'm gonna turn it over, and then you have one part here. As you guys can see right here. So you just need to turn, then you turn, and then, oh yes, oh, you guys see? Right here, let me show it again. Right here, here, and then you, right here, yeah, good. Very good. On my way. Right, so that's secure. We have our electric cord right there. And then you, whenever you, I'm gonna have to stretch the hose, and then you put this here. So far, I really like it. And I think I'm done. Like I said, these are the jets. We also get these jets. And you're washing your car different pressure. We also get these jets, so the different pressure. And then you just, like I said, whenever you're putting in the jets, just need to go down and you snap up. Make sure you snap up. Make sure you always snap it in. Yeah, and I'm ready. I am going to test it out. You can put your jets here. Soap, there's a soap here, turbo. I don't know which one, maybe that's the sprayer. We have here our soap. Very good. And we have this one here, which is a turbo. Yeah, right there. And that's it. I think I like how it looks so far. So I'm gonna take it outside also, and I'm gonna do a demonstration as to how it performs. Yeah. So guys, here's a demonstration as to how the power washer works. I'm telling you, I love it. It's working good. Awesome. Check this out. Remember now guys, if you want more pressure, you can change the type of nozzle. This I'm using a 25, and you can change the pressure that you want, but I'm using the 25 for this. Here am I changing the nozzle. I want more pressure, so this I'm putting at 25, and all you have to do is just push this down like this, just like that, and now I'll get more pressure, right? Here's my Costco find. I think it's a good power washer for the price. So if you go to Costco and it's still there, I would say you guys can get one. Remember, this is not a paid promotion. I just decided that if I find something that is great, that I'm gonna share it with you guys, and I think it's a very good power washer for the price. So continue to subscribe, continue to share our channel with your families and friends. Thank you. Stay tuned.